Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking in. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I go ahead and add in an extra bundle to my wig units. I don't like making my wigs anymore. I just prefer to buy a wig and sew on an extra bundle if it's like too thin. You know, I like my hair a little big. But if y'all want to see how I do it and also just get a little feel for how I'm feeling for this hair that I got for Aliexpress, please stay tuned. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's move forward with the video. Bye, guys.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else.
Hey guys, alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into the video. First things first, bonnet gang, no makeup, because we're chilling at the house today. Like, we chilling at the house, we getting our wig together, and this is what we look like when we do that. Okay. So this is the wig. This is the wig. It is from She Admire Hair. Now, I've obviously have been wearing this wig. So it's not bad. Like, the wig is not bad. I did wear this last night, and I literally took it off my head and went to bed, so I didn't do anything. So this is what the hair looks like after I've been wearing it for like a night or whatever. I need to wash it, kind of bring the curls back together. But basically, like I said, this wig is not bad. Like, you can definitely just wear this wig like this and leave it as is. This was a 32 inch. It's not really 32 inches, but this was a 32 inch. I can't remember the density, but I'll put it in the screen if I remember to do so. And the things that I don't like about this hair is that it just sheds. I cannot stand that. Outside of the shedding, this is actually really good quality hair. Like, I love the wave pattern. It does not tangle like that. Like, curly hair be tangling, and this hair doesn't. Only thing I don't like about it is it's a little bit too thin for me. It's also not as long as I would like it, but that's what you get when you order wigs. They give you, like, I don't know, they measure their wigs weird. So it's like you'll order a 32 inch, but this hair is easily probably a 28 inch. I want it to be a little bit longer, and I want it to be a little bit fuller, so that's why I bought an extra bundle. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that, because me personally, I hate making wigs from scratch. I don't remember the last time I did it. I don't like it. It's not the wave anymore. It takes too much time. I would rather buy a wig, get a bundle, add a bundle in there, and go about my business. So let's go ahead and move forward with updating. Okay, we're gonna call it a good little update. Updating our wig. Let's go.
Alright guys, so let's go into the things that you need. First things first, you're going to need a mannequin head. My mannequin head is old, it's been through some things, but she's still here. She can get the job done. Alright. Next, you're obviously going to need a needle and thread. Please get a curved needle, don't get a straight one, but you'll need a needle and thread. Obviously, some scissors. And then you need a brush, get the hair out of the way. You don't want it anyway while you're sewing, so you need a brush, and you also need a clip to go along with that. Clip up the hair while you're sewing. And obviously you need the bundle. Mine is from She Admire, same place I got the wig. I got it in 30 inches, also in the same exact wave pattern. And then of course you're going to need your hands, your beautiful hands that God gave you to do this. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so first things first, we're just going to go ahead and brush through the hair. Once you brush through the hair, we're going to go ahead and start splitting the track. We're going to go ahead and make an opening for wherever we want to put the new track in. We're also going to grab our clips, put it up, and then we're going to go ahead and grab our needle and our thread. We're also going to go ahead and knot the end of the thread. So once we have our needle and thread ready, we're going to go ahead and pull out our bundle. I'm going to go ahead and pull out a bundle, and as well go ahead and take out the track that we're going to sew on. So like I said, this is the same exact wave pattern that I got in the wig, same place, same vendor, same hair pattern. Make sure you do that so that we're good to go, everything matches. Okay, so here you're going to take your needle and thread and you're going to go through the actual track. This is the only time you're going to go through the actual track. So you go ahead and put that through the wig cap, and now you go around the track. So over and loop. Like I said, you're not going to go through the track anymore, just over and loop through the wig cap. And now that we're towards the end of the track, go ahead and loop over that last track about 3 to 4 times just to create a knot, and then snip. All right, so here I'm just trying to give y'all a better close-up of what I was doing. Like I said, I was going over the track, not going through, and just knotting it at the end. All right, so this is what my wig is looking like now. Definitely a lot more thicker and fuller, just like I like. And hey, there's me. Look at me, looking how cute with my makeup done. So I'm just gonna show y'all real quick. Hey, I'm just gonna show y'all real quick how I do my hair when it's curly and what I've been doing. So here are my products. I just have some water, some oil, and of course a big comb. So first things first, gonna go ahead and section off the hair and spray it with some water. After you get done drenching your hair, you're just going to go ahead and take your comb, go ahead and comb through the ends and work your way up. Get it all nice and detangled. Now you're just going to take some of your oil and work that through the hair. You want it to be all shiny and soft. So, and this is the Garnier Fructis oil. So work that through the hair. Go back in with the water if you need. Take your comb again and just keep repeating the process till you get the look that you like.
Hey guys, all right, so this is the end result. This is what my hair looks like. Adding in an extra bundle, about like a half of it, well, maybe like 3/4 of it, because I only have a little bit left. but I love the results. I do like this hair. I just wish that the wig came a little bit fuller, but then again, I might be dramatic. Like, am I the drama? I like big hair, so it could just be me, but I do like this hair. Only con is that it sheds when you style it and when you wash it. That's it. Otherwise, I love the curl pattern. Doesn't tangle. I love this hair. But this is the end of the video. Thank you so much to those who are still watching. You know, I truly do appreciate it, and I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one